small kitten named Luna lived in a crowded street where everything felt too big for her. Every day she watched other cats climb walls and chase dreams she was afraid to try. One evening she found a tall fence standing between her and a warm rooftop. She hesitated, then jumped, she fell again. She tried and failed, but Luna didn't stop. One deep breath, she gathered all her courage and leaped higher than ever before and made it. That night, under the stars, Luna realized something powerful. It's not about how many times you fall, it's about rising one more